Three-phase transformer. So a three-phase transformer is called a large-scale generation of electrical power from usually three-phase at 13.2 kilovolts or higher. Okay, compared to single-phase transformer, this the output voltage can be increased very high lengths by using three-phase transformer. This large-scale generation. Okay, large-scale generation of electrical power usually three-phase. That is called 13.2 kilovolts or higher. So generally, but transmission voltage levels 110 kV and 132 kV, 400 kV. Transmission voltage levels. These are the different transmission voltage levels. 110 kV, 132 kV, 400 kV. For this, three-phase transformers are generally used. Okay, generated voltage needs to be increased. Okay, and so three-phase transformers are used. So generated voltage is different about generating stations, thermal power plants, hydro, nuclear. This voltage increase that is called stepped up by using the three-phase transformer only. Okay, because of the operating range of these transformers are very high, 110 kV, 132, 400 kV like this. Okay, but much of power can be handled by using three-phase transformer. Single-phase transformer is not possible to handle this much of power. Okay, three-phase transformers can be used for to construct a three-phase transformer. Three single-phase transformers can be used for to construct a three-phase transformer. By using three single-phase transformers, it is possible to construct a three-phase transformer. And then, but it is occupies more space and 15% more than costlier than using single unit. By using three single-phase transformers, also it is possible to conduct the three-phase transformer, but it requires more space and also cost is also high, and 15% more than costlier than the single unit. Okay, if you are using three single-phase transformer, the cost of the power transmission, which called power three-phase transformer system is increases. Okay, if you are using three single transformers, okay, to construct a three-phase transformer. Understood? So this is called three-phase transformer. Generally, three-phase transformers are three windings are like this. So this is called one limb and three limbs on two yokes. This is called three windings: primary and secondary, primary and secondary, primary and secondary. Like this. All windings are connected like this. Okay, and you know well construction about the three-phase transformer. This these are the three: R phase, Y phase, B phase, like this. This only and single core. So this color shell type transformer core, shell type, three limbs. Okay, in this three limbs, these three windings are used. Okay, and there are three different types of connections: star-star connection, delta-delta connection, star-delta connection, delta-star connection. Okay, in the three-phase transformer connections, these are the different type of connections: star-star, delta-delta, star-delta, and delta-star. Okay, these are the three different types of connections and four different types of connections in the transformer. You know well, for star connection system, what is the phase voltage? Phase voltage is equal to VL by root 3, and the phase current is equal to line current in star connect system. I'm already explained this concept, three-phase transformer. Okay, phase voltage is equal to line voltage by root 3. V phase is equal to VL by root 3 in star connection. The phase current is equal to line current in star connection. And delta connection system, in delta connected system, phase voltage is equal to line voltage, but phase current is equal to line current by root 3. I phase is equal to IL by root 3 in delta connected system. Okay, so star and delta and star delta and delta star. Okay, the windings are connected like this. First one is star connection. So this primary side of the transformer is connected in star. That is called one common new point is available. This A winding is connected to one common point, and B winding is also connected to one common point, and C winding is connected to one common. That's why it is called star connection. Secondary side is also this is called A winding and B winding and C winding. All windings are connected to common point. Okay, that's why it is called star connection. The primary sides of the windings are connected like this, star, and the secondary side is also connected star. That's why it is called star connection, three-phase star connection. It is also called as a 0-degree connection. And yes, for star connection, phase voltage is equal to line, V phase is equal to VL by root 3, and I phase is equal to IL. Am I right or not? For star connection system, okay, phase voltage is equal to line voltage by root 3, V phase is equal to VL by root 3, and IL is equal to I phase. And the number of turns per phase and the amount of insulation required is minimum. Understood? Hence the number of turns and phase number of turns per phase and also amount of insulation required is minimum. So phase voltage is equal to VL by root 3. So the operating voltage of this voltage handling by the phase winding is less. That's why the insulation required is less. Understood? V phase voltage is nothing but line voltage by root 3. So line voltage by root 3 is reducing the voltage. Voltage handled by the phase winding is decreases. That's why the number of turns in the per phase and amount of insulation is required is minimum. If the voltage increases, insulation is increases to handle that much of voltage levels. Okay, if this insulation decreases, voltage decreasing means so amount of insulation is also required, it decreases. And the number of turns per phase and amount of insulation is required is minimum. Okay, because of phase voltage is equal to line voltage by root 3. But line current is equal to phase current. That current is maximum, but voltage is decreases to 1 by root 3 times. Understood? This connection is economical for small rating, high voltage transformers. Small rating. So because of small rating and high voltage transformer. Here high voltage. So this phase voltage VL is equal V phase is equal to VL by root 3, and also this voltage capacities increases because of V phase is equal to VL by root 3. No? This connection is economical for small rating, high voltage transformers. Okay, this because of the voltage handled by the phase winding is decreases. That's why. So when it is used for high voltage also, it's possible. Okay, so the connection is economical for small rating, high voltage transformers because of so this relations V phase is equal to VL by root 3 and I phase is equal to I. So current is maximum. Okay, but voltage is the decreases in phase windings of the transformer. Okay, the phase voltage is nothing but line voltage by root 3. So that's why. So it is economical for small rating, high voltage transformer. It works well for balancing load. Okay, this is for star-star connection. Okay, and next delta-delta connection. Delta-delta connection. So yeah, primary side is delta, and the secondary side is also connected delta. So in delta-delta connection, one winding ending terminal is called, another winding is starting. Am I right or not? In delta connection, one phase winding is ending is connected to the one phase winding is starting terminal. So this ending terminal is connected to one winding, another winding is starting, and are connected like this. It's like a closed loop. It's called a mesh. Okay, so closed one. That's why it is called as a delta. Here also, this one winding, this is called phase winding. Secondary terminal is connected to the another phase winding starting terminal. So like this is the closed. That's why it's called delta connection system. In a way, it is also called as a 0 degree connection. And also here, for delta connection, V phase is equal to VL. Am I right or not? Phase voltage is equal to line voltage for delta connection system, and phase current is equal to line current by root 3. Phase voltage is equal to line voltage, and phase current is equal to line current by root 3. Am I right? For delta, but in the star connection system, phase voltage is equal to VL by root 3, and line current is equal to I phase current. But in delta connection system, opposite. Phase voltage is equal to line voltage, and I phase is equal to L voltage. Here, current flowing through the winding is decreases, but voltage is maximum. Okay, that's why this insulation requirement is more. Answer: number of turns per phase is required is more because of high voltages. So the voltage handled by the phase winding is increases. That's why number of turns per phase is required is more. Okay, this connection is economical for large rating, low voltage transformers. Okay, because of insulation problem. That's why it is used for low voltage and also large rating. That is called KVA rating. High KVA, low voltage transformers is used. And this connection is satisfactory for both balanced and unbalanced loads. So because star connection is only for balanced load system. Okay, and delta connection is both balanced as well as unbalanced loads. But neutral is unavailable. There is no neutral point. Delta connection, there is no neutral point. But in star connection, there is a neutral point is available. Understood? Next is star delta connection. Primary side is star connection. So these are all connected to star. So like this common point. The neutral point is available. This winding is also connected at point. So secondary side, this winding secondary terminal, this winding secondary terminal, and this winding secondary terminal connected at common point, common line. Okay, that's why it's called star connection. And deadlock connection, this winding is secondary terminal is connected to the another winding of starting winding. So like this is a closed loop. That's why it's called delta connection. So on primary side, V phase is equal to VL by root 3. Primary side V phase is equal to VL by root 3. And I phase is equal to IL or IL is equal to I phase in primary side. The star connection system. Primary side is star, no? That's why phase voltage is equal to line voltage by root 3. IL is equal to I phase. And secondary side for delta connection system, line voltage is equal to phase voltage and phase current is equal to line current by root 3. Understood? And then, so here primary, okay. So voltage primary of secondary transformer by primary of primary. So VPS divided by VPP. Okay. Okay. So for primary side, VPS is equal to VL by root 3. That is called star connection. Okay. And I phase is equal to IL. IL is equal to I phase for star connection. And for delta connection, phase voltage is equal to line voltage and phase current is equal to IL by root 3. You know well. Up to here, this is known. And here, phase, here VPS is called secondary side. Phase VPS primary side is called V2 and this is called V2 by V1. Just like a V2 by V1. Secondary phase voltage. Primary phase voltage. VPS is called secondary phase voltage by primary phase voltage. That is called V2 by V1. Am I right? Or N2 by N1. Secondary phase voltage divided by primary phase voltage. Secondary phase voltage is equal to VLS. Okay. So because of secondary side, the transformer is called delta connection. That's why VL. So secondary phase voltage is nothing but VL. That is called VLS. Is called secondary. And then primary phase voltage. Primary phase voltage is nothing but here. Primary phase voltages. That is called VL by root 3. Primary side VLP by root 3. Understood? And then VLS, that is called so line voltage in secondary divided by line voltage in primary is equal to K by root 3. Understood? Line voltage in secondary divided by line voltage in primary. This is called lines turns ratio. Okay, is equal to K by root 3 times. Lines turns ratio. So VLS divided by VLP is equal to K by root 3. It's called phase turns ratio. VPS divided by VPP. Okay, K is nothing but phase turns ratio, not lines turns ratio. Okay, so then VPS, this is called secondary phase turns ratio, secondary phase voltage, that is called VLS. Because of secondary side load is connected delta, that's why VL is equal to V phase, VLS. Primary side phase voltage, primary, this is called P, is called primary, and this is called P is called phase voltage. So that is called V2 by V1, just like V2 by V1. So secondary side phase voltage is nothing but so delta connection, that's why VLS, secondary line voltages. V phase is equal to VL, that's why secondary line voltage VL. Similarly, primary phase voltage is nothing but star connection system, that's why VLP, primary line voltage divided by root 3. So then VLS divided by VLP, that's called secondary line voltage divided by secondary primary line current. Line voltage is nothing but K by root 3. So this is for star delta connection. Understand? And then delta star connection. Delta star connection. The primary side is delta connection. Delta is called okay closed loop. That's why it's called delta. And the star, so common point is all windings are connected at common point. That's why it is called star. And primary side, so delta, that is called delta connection system. Phase voltage is equal to line voltage, and phase current is equal to line current by root 3. And secondary side, star, na? That's why phase voltage is equal to VL by root 3 and phase current is equal to line current. Okay, so up to here you know well. Okay, then secondary phase voltage divided by primary phase voltage. Secondary phase voltage is nothing but secondary side is delta. That's why VLS divided by root 3 from this VLS by root 3. Primary phase voltage is equal to line voltage. That's why VLP. So then VLS divided by VLP is equal to root 3 times of K. Understood? So this is the line turns ratio. This is called phase turns ratio is nothing but K. Phase turns ratio is equal to K, but not lines turns ratio is not equal to K. Lines turns ratio is equal to root 3 times of K for delta star connection. Okay, lines turns ratio for K by root 3 for star delta connection. Understood? So in this like this, VL is equal to V phase and I phase is equal to IL by phase. Same as. So phase voltage is equal to primary side and secondary side is a same connection delta delta. That's why. So there is no changes, K only. So here also this primary side is star star connection. That's why the lines turns ratio, phase turns ratio is both are same here. Okay. Here V phase is equal to VL by root 3. Here V phase is equal to VL by root 3. That's why there is no changes in turns ratio, lines turns ratio. Here lines turns ratio, phase turns ratio both are same. V2 by V1 is equal to N2 by N1 is equal to K only. But in so here differences. Star delta and delta star connection is different. Understood? This is about star delta and delta star connection, three phase transformers.